Okay, good day everyone. My name is Adibo Kenechiko Franklin and I'm here to present my project known as Vulner. So what is Vulner? Vulner is simply a bash scripting tool used in enumerating vulnerabilities detected in a specific IP address or an IP address range. So without further ado, I'll begin demonstrating how it works. So at first, when you run the code, it would ask you to enter the network range to scan. So for the sake of time, I'm just going to instead of giving it a network range, I'll just give it an IP address, preferably the IP address of my vulnerable machine. They are now prompting us for us to input the directory, the name of the custom directory in which they want to make to keep the found data inside. So let's call it temporary. Okay, it is now asking us to select assessment, profiling, policy depth. So it's asking us whether we would want a basic scan. That one is used to scan TCPs and UDP ports, versions, as well as credential auditing. While a full scan would ask us to give us basically what this would give us a basic profile, as well as the usage of NSC scripts, that is Nmap scripting engine, and search plus vulnerability mapping. Okay, for the sake of the session, we're going to initiate the full scan. So we'll simply select number two. It is now asking us to select which password word list we would want to use, whether we would want to use the default word list or we would want to use a custom made word list. Okay, so we'll just wait until this finishes loading. Okay, as you can see, it is done scanning. It is now okay. It is done doing what it needs to do. Um, it has given us all we need to with the saved path within this directory. Before we continue on, we'll just move over to this, copy this, we'll move over to our terminal and then we'll look at what is inside. Okay, as you can see, it has given us various logs and text files, as well as password listing, which you can use to look at the vulnerabilities that are present within it. So we'll start looking at them one by one. We'll start with this vulnerability mapping. Okay, and as you can see, it has given us all the vulnerabilities that are present within that particular IP address in which we had given it to scan. These are all the vulnerability mappings. Okay, what next are we looking for? I want to look at the raw outputs, the raw nmap outputs. That's what we'll look at. Okay, so I'm just going to cut this. Okay, and as you can see, this is giving us the raw output of the nmap scan in which was scanned for each for the IP address in which we had imputed into it. Okay. Next up, we look at the discovered hosts, the host present within the IP addresses or IP address. Okay, so far only one host has been discovered because this was what we asked it to scan. I want to look at the discovered credentials. Okay, as you can see, we've gotten our credentials for this service for the hosts on SSH and FTP. We have MSF admin as the user and MSI admin as the password for both services. We would then want to look at our audit timeline log. Okay, so as you can see, it has given us a full audit timeline log. Okay, so I'll just move over back to our menu. It's now asking if I would like to search inside these generated log results text files. Okay, we've already done that, so we'll just type no. Then like that is the code has finished doing its work and it has finally exited. Okay, I hope you found this insightful. Thank you.